So we're looking at triangles in class, and we're looking at the area of triangles, right? And who can tell what the area of a triangle is when we're finding the formula of it? Well, if you said base times height divided by 2, then you're correct. So let me write it for you. Area, T is for triangle, is equal to the base times the height, all divided by 2. Now, the question is, how do I identify the base and the height on a triangle? Well, that's easy. You just have to look for the right angle triangle. And the lines that form the 90-degree triangle, the lines that form the 90-degree angle, those two lines can either be the base or the height. So let's look at our triangle ABC. Where's the 90-degree angle? It's at point C. So the two lines that form the right angle can be the base and the height, not this one. So this will be the base and this will be our height. So let's give our triangle ABC a height and a base. So let's use our height for 8 centimeters, and I'm going to say let our base be 4 centimeters. Now, to calculate the area of triangle ABC, remember I must use my formula, base times height divided by 2. So I'm replacing the B with the actual value of my base, which is 4 centimeters. Following the formula comes times, and I'm replacing H with the actual height of the triangle, which is 8 centimeters. I put them in brackets to show that I'm replacing them, that I'm substituting them. Then following the formula, it says I will divide it by 2. 4 times 8 is what? 32. Centimeter times centimeter will give me centimeter squared, and I'm dividing by 2. 2 into 36 goes how many times? Look at this trick. 2 into 2 goes 1, 2 into 3 goes 1, remainder 1, and 2 into 6 goes 12. So 2 into 32 goes 16 times. And remember, it's centimeter squared. We're dealing with area. Let's look at example number 2 now. We have triangle XYZ. And we have a lot of measurements. But if we're asked to find the area of the triangle, we must try and find the base and the height. First thing, if I'm asked for the area, I'm going to write my area formula. Area of T for triangle is equal to the base times the height, all divided by 2. That's why we say half base times height. So I now need to identify where's my base and my height. Remember what to look for? If you said the right angle, then you're great. So our right angle is here. And the two lines on the right angle will tell us what our base is and what our height is. So I can say let 5 be my height. 5 centimeters will be equal to my H. And my base will be equal to 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters is equal to my base. So what I'm going to do now is to substitute these values inside of my formula. So the B value was 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters. And I'm multiplying that by the H value, the height, which is 5 centimeters. Following the formula, putting it over 2. 6 times 5 will give us 30. And centimeter times centimeter will give us centimeter squared. That is why area is measured in square units. Following my formula, dividing by 2. 2 into 30 goes 15 times. So the area of this triangle is 15 centimeters squared. Here's our third example. I bet you can't identify where the base or the height is. So remember, what we use to identify the base and the height is a right angle triangle or the right angle. Do you see the right angle? It's right here. So it's here and here. This one is an obtuse triangle because it has an obtuse angle inside of it. So the right angle more than likely will come either inside of it or off the triangle, so to speak. So we know if we're asked to find the area of our triangle, QRS, I'm going to write the area formula. Area of triangle is equal to what? The base times the height divided by 2. Remember that divided by 2. So now, I'm going to say my base is on the right angle triangle, so it could be 12. And my height is on the right angle triangle, so it could be the 5 meters. All I'm going to do now is to do what? Well, if you said substitute the values, then you're correct. So my B value is 12 meters. So I'm replacing B with 12 meters. Following my formula times my H value. Here, 5 meters. Then I'm going to follow the formula and divide by 2. 12 times 5 will give me 60. A lie. 5 2s 10. Bring 1. 5 1s 5. Plus 1. 6. Good. So it's 60. And m times m gives me m squared. And I'm dividing by 2. 60 divided by 2 gives me 30. And it's 30 meters squared. And that's the area of triangles.